Who doesn't love reviewing their finances and counting those sweet dividend payments rolling in? It's the beginning of a new month, and you already know it's time for another update video on all the dividends I received from my M1 Finance portfolio and more. Hey guys, this is Nick with Nick Does DJI, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be going over 11 dividend payments I received during the month of May and more. I hope you find some value out of this video, and if you would like to support this channel, I appreciate you clicking that like button. So let's get into it. Remember back to a time when you received a pay raise at work. How much was that raise and how did that make you feel? If the increase merely amounted to only a few percentage points to account for inflation, don't fret. With dividend growth investing, it's not uncommon to see annual dividend growth increases to a tune of 7 to 8%, if not more. And that is the beauty of investing in blue chip companies that continue to grow profits year after year. To make this real for you all, we received 3 dividend increases during the month of May that would have substantially beat any ordinary yearly work pay raise. On May 4th, PepsiCo declared a new dividend of $1.07 per share, a 5.1% increase from the prior dividend of $1.02. On May 18th, Northrop Grumman declared a new dividend of $1.57 per share, a respectable 8.3% increase from the prior dividend of $1.45. And last but not least, on May 27th, Lowe's declared a new dividend of 80 cents per share, an insanely massive 33% dividend increase from the prior dividend of 60 cents. And let me tell you that Lowe's is a dividend king that has increased its dividend since 1958. Announcing this kind of increase following the worst pandemic in a century just speaks to the quality of the company and business model Lowe's has in place. On the flip side, it suffices to say that the dividend-related elephant in the room for this month was the merger announcement of AT&T's Warner Media and Discovery. As I covered in a separate video, long story short, I sold out of my position and reinvested the proceeds into my portfolio. Furthermore, I received my last dividend payment from AT&T at the beginning of May. As of this time of recording, the Nick Does DJI portfolio is sitting around just over $16,000 and some change. Using a money-rated return, this portfolio is up 27.5% or $2,061.41 since starting this portfolio back in September. This portfolio contains 33 holdings with a 2.837% dividend yield with a 0.05% expense ratio. If you are interested in seeing all 33 holdings, please feel free to click on the M1 Finance link in the description below for a direct link to my portfolio breakdown, or comment down below if you would like me to make a separate video going over each position. I will also include a referral link for M1 Finance so you and I can each earn $30 if you fund your account. Okay, let's get back to the dividend payments, but in total, I received 11 dividend payments during the May of 2021. On May 3rd, we received 2 dividend payments, one from AT&T for a total of $7.03 and CVS for a total of $2.77. On May 5th, we received 1 dividend payment from Lowe's for a total of $1.88. On May 7th, we received 1 dividend payment from General Dynamics for a total of $2.69. On May 13th, we received 1 dividend payment from Apple for a total of $1.24. On May 14th, we received 3 dividend payments, one from Costco for a total of 61 cents, 2 National Retail Properties for a total of $4.64, and 3 Realty Income for a total of $2.47. On May 17th, we received 1 dividend payment from Procter & Gamble for a total of $1.79. And lastly, on May 28th, we received 2 dividend payments, one from Nusi for a total of $2.73 and 2 Starbucks for a total of $1.73. In total, these 11 dividend payments earned me $29.58 in passive dividend income. With each passing month, this portfolio is beginning to generate enough dividend income to a point where smaller utility bills could now be paid off should I choose, and that should be motivating. The following month of June should be an even higher month as far as dividend income goes, so stay tuned to the next update. As you can see, we are on an upwards trajectory in dividend income. My more immediate goal is to now earn $100 in dividend within a single month by the end of this year. the dividend per work hour metric, which is a metric I came up with to calculate what my dividends earned me if this had been a standard 40-hour-a-week work job, was 18 cents per work hour. While earning 18 cents per hour is minuscule, it is a starting point for compound interest to snowball. Soon enough, this figure will be $10 an hour, $20 an hour, $30, and so forth. And as far as contributions go, we were able to resume contributing some money into this portfolio, just over $1,600 to be exact. But moving forward, I may have to pull back for just a few more months until my daughter is born as we prepare for her arrival. As a long-term conservative dividend investor, I oftentimes feel FOMO or fear of missing out whenever I browse through the Wall Street Bets subreddit or see YouTube videos about those gambling money into highly speculative investments and then subsequently winning the casino jackpot. Nonetheless, we must steer clear of distractions and really concentrate on the long-term horizon and continue to invest in blue-chip dividend growth stocks that will increase their dividends annually. So that basically summed up my month of May. Now let me hear from you guys down in the comments below. How did your dividend portfolio fare? Please note that this video is not intended as financial advice, nor am I a financial advisor. Past performance is no guarantee of future results, and please take the information with a grain of salt. Please do your own research and due diligence when deciding to invest in investable securities. If you found this video helpful, please consider clicking the like button and subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell notification to receive an alert on all the latest videos. The YouTube algorithm likes these sorts of engagements and helps my channel get shown on more homepages. Until next time, take care.